Today I'm going to show you how to change nail and lip color using solid color adjustment in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your pen tool from the toolbar and draw a path around the lips. Now click the selections at the top. Then press OK. With the selection active, click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. In this color picker, choose color for lips. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. I'll decrease the fill all the way to 80%. Now select the background or subject layer. Then from the toolbar, open your Quick Selection tool. Select Add to Selection at the top. And click and drag over the nails to select it. Now select the mask of the top layer or lip color. Then select your brush tool from the toolbar. Make sure foreground color is white. And just paint on the nails to reveal their new color. Go to Select. And deselect to delete the selection. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.